Okay, another morning. Okay, another morning. I'm out here first thing before the sun comes up. Decided to get my tractor out, and first thing I gotta do is fuel it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some diesel fuel in it. It used to cost me a lot less money. I used to pay $2 a gallon. Now I'm paying like $3.29 a gallon for diesel. Kind of sucks, but you got to do it. So to get my diesel fuel, I got to put like 10 gas cans and go to the gas station, fill it up, and come back. And daily or every other day, depending on how much use I get out of it for the day, I have to fill up. So I do that first thing in the morning because I don't want to run out. So here we go. I like to place a towel down so I don't scratch the finish. I plop it up there, and I step on the tire. Now I'm up high. Undo my cap. Take off this cap. I hate these new types that they got, but that's what they got nowadays. So you gotta take it, turn it over, make sure that turns down, and the fill up process takes place. Takes a little bit, but I find it's easier to step up on the tire. You rest your knees on the loader. You're in a safety position. I'll step down here so you can see. So basically I'm done. Shake it. Turn it upright. Put the cap back on. I like taking this here and cleaning it. See all that comes off? Just like that. Now this is clean. And put it back on. So basically, I'll give a wipe because there's sand and stuff on there, and that protects the finish. If there's any kind of spill, I got the towel. All the diesel fuel, I put in yellow cans. It's marked diesel. And then all my regular gasoline, I put in red cans, and that's the way that you do it. It's always good to do that. These cans right here, if you go to Lowe's and Home Depot, you're spending about $35 a gas can. But if you go to RK, you're spending about $10, $12 a gas can. So when I make a trip to RK, I always pick up about 6 of these or so. I got a bunch in there, and that's just something you have to deal with. So anyway, this is how I fill up my Kubota before I start work. And this morning I'm going to go ahead and start planting some loquat trees. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how I do it. I try to do it safety. I put it on here first. It takes the weight. You can't let it go, but you hold it. If you raise the boom, you could probably let it go, but then this is in the way, so I just put it there. And I use this as a step right here, my tire, and I step up. And then, of course, the gas can goes there. And the same thing going down. This is safety. You can hold on. You can step down with safety without falling over. Anyway, there you go. It's boring, but it's something you got to do. When they go to electric, maybe I'll get an electric and I'll just plug it in. But for now, this is how I fill up my tractor so I could do some work around here. Let me get cracking.